Hello students. Already we were discussing about a matrix. In that matrix we have discussed about multiplication or addition multiplication of a matrix, and in the multiplication by a scalar and multiplication of two matrices that we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss a topic, transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose of a matrix? Suppose if A is a matrix, if A is equal to a matrix Aij of order m by n. If A is a matrix Aij of order m by n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a matrix is called the transpose of a matrix. If A is equal to Aij is a Aij of order m cross n, then the obtained matrix obtained by interchanging by interchanging by interchanging the rows and columns rows and columns is called transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix A. If we interchange the rows and columns of a given matrix, so when we get a matrix, that is called the transpose of a given matrix, and it is denoted by either A dash or A transpose, either by writing just A dash or by writing A to the power T. That means A transpose. So this is about the transpose of a matrix. If I take one example, if I take A is equal to any matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a matrix. This is a matrix of what is the order here? 3 rows and 2 columns. So 3 by 2, a transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. So we get A dash as, that means what? The rows we have to write as a column and columns we have to write as a row. We have to interchange rows and columns. So where now here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 are the rows. Now that becomes a column. So A transpose will be a matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. Now 2, 3 is a row, that becomes a column. Interchanging rows and columns. So same way, if the order is 3 by 2, when we exchange rows and columns, then the order also changes. So what is the order of the new matrix or A transpose? That will be 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. When we change the elements, rows and columns, same way the order of the matrix also changes. That means column becomes row and row becomes columns. So these are the example of a transpose of a matrix. Next, after that, there are some properties of transpose of a matrix. Some properties. So which are the properties of transpose of a matrix? So if I take one example, A transpose, and again if I take the transpose, so what is the matrix we get? What is the matrix we get? That matrix is a given matrix itself. So one of the property of a transpose, properties of matrix, transpose of a matrix. So in that first property, A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. If AI is any matrix, so if you take once the transpose rows and columns changes, again if I changes, then we get the given matrix itself. So A transpose, the transpose is equal to A, and the second property is K A whole transpose is equal to K into A transpose. K into A, if a matrix is multiplied by a constant, and if you take the transpose of that, then that will be K into A transpose. And next one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. If we find the transpose of A plus B whole transpose, then that will be equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next one, A into B whole transpose is equal to, when we write A plus B whole transpose, that will be A transpose plus B transpose, but AB whole transpose is not A transpose B transpose. This will be B transpose plus B transpose into A transpose. So you always remember A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, but AB whole transpose, product transpose of a product is not A transpose B transpose, it is B transpose into A transpose. So these are the main properties of transpose of a matrix. So we prove this properties by giving an example. So I'll give one problem, and based on that we'll prove all these properties. So first one I'll give one, if A is equal to is one matrix and B is equal to if this is a matrix, so two matrices are given, A and B are given, verify that the first one is A transpose is equal to A, and next one K into B whole transpose is equal to K into B transpose. K into B whole transpose is equal to K into B transpose. Next one, third one is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So first you verify these three. So first one, verification. First one, so what is that? A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. So first we have to take the transpose A transpose. So what is A transpose? So A is given, A transpose will be equal to 2. Now it is of order 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So now it becomes 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 2 minus 1 and 5. So this is A transpose, again transpose. So verification means again you have to write everything. So by looking at that we can make out this is possible, this is true, but we have to verify means you have to write all the steps. So next it will be again transpose means 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 5. So it is verified that therefore A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. So first one we have verified. Next second one, what is that? To prove K into B whole transpose is equal to K into B transpose. So second one is a verification. So first we have to find out K into B. So B is given, K into B means each entry is multiplied with B. So we can write it as a K into B is equal to 4K. then minus 2k, 1k, minus 2k and k. Then the next row is 3k, 1k, 0. 3k and k and 0. So this is given k into b. Next whole transpose, kb whole transpose, k into b whole transpose is equal to k into b whole transpose is equal to, now the transpose of this will be 4k, 3k, 4k, 3k minus 2k, k, 2k and k 0 and 0. So k b in whole transpose we have written. Next we have to write a plus or k into b transpose. So before that we can write b transpose. So b transpose is equal to, again 3 by 2 matrix, 4 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 1 then 1 0 1 0. So it is a b transpose. We have written b transpose. Next we have to write what is k into b transpose. K into b transpose. K into b transpose is a 4k, 3k, 4k, 3k minus 2k and k, then 1 into means k and 0. So from this we have taken k into b whole transpose and k into b transpose. When we see the elements, these two are equal, therefore k into b whole transpose is equal to k into b transpose, k into b trans. So we have verified the second one also. Next is the third one. It is to verify a plus b whole transpose is equal to a transpose plus b transpose. So third one is you have to first find out a plus b, then their transpose, then a transpose, b transpose and the sum. So we have to get that. Third one. So what is the third one? First we have to find out a plus b. Sum of that two we have to calculate. So a plus b is equal to, a plus b is equal to, what is a plus b? A plus b, adding each element wise we have to add. So it will be 6 1 5 6 1 5. Then the second row will be 5 0 5 5 0 and 5. So this is a plus b. Then next is a plus b whole transpose. A plus b whole transpose is equal to, we have to interchange rows and columns, so we get a transpose. So when we interchange, this will be 6 5 1 0 5 and 5. We have interchange. Rows can be rows are written as columns and columns are written as rows. So it is a plus b whole transpose. Next we have to write what is a transpose and b transpose. So a transpose will be transpose of a, so that is 2 2 3 minus 1 3 minus 1 4 and 5. This is a transpose. Next b transpose is equal to 4 3 minus 2 1 4 3 minus 2 1, then 1 0 1 0. So this we have calculated A transpose and B transpose. After A transpose and B transpose, we have to write A transpose plus B transpose. So what is A transpose plus B transpose? A transpose plus B transpose is adding these two. 2 plus 4 is a 6 and 3 plus is a 5. 6. Next element is 5. Then 3 minus 2 is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. 1 0 1 0, and here 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. So what we got, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So that two are equal. Therefore A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So we have verified for the given problem A transpose or three properties we have verified. So similarly, I'll give one more example as a homework. So there is no such a difficulty in this, just to interchange rows and columns. So by looking at this also you can solve other problems. So I'll give some homework problems based on these. So to verify that, so the first one is A is equal to 3 root 3 2 2 root 3 2, then 4 2 0 4 2 0, and B is equal to a matrix of same order. Order is 2 minus 1 2 2 minus 1 2, then 1 2 and 4 1 2 and 4. So the question is to verify that the first one, A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. The second one, B transpose whole transpose is equal to B. And third one, and the third one is it is to verify K into A transpose is equal to K into A transpose, and fourth one, K into B transpose is equal to K into B transpose. Then fifth one, A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So solve these problems. So it is same problem, same kind of problems to verify. It is a very simple one. The next problem is, if A is a matrix minus 2 4 5, it is a column matrix, and one column is a row matrix and is a column matrix. So verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So first we have to calculate what is AB, A into B, then their transpose, after that B transpose, then A transpose. One more thing, this problem is very important. For 5 marks. It is important for 5 marks. So first we have to calculate what is A transpose A into B. So A into B is equal to minus 2 4 5, and B is 1 3 minus 6 1 3 minus 6. So this is a matrix. We have to find out what is A into B. So A into B, we know that now the 3 by 1 matrix, 3 rows and 1 columns, and here it is 1 row and 3 columns. So we get the answer as 3 by 3. This is of 3 rows one column and it is one row and 3 column, the answer we have to get as a 3 by 3 matrix. Column and rows are equal, so we get a 3 by 3 matrix. And how to multiply? The first row is multiplied with the first column. So only one elements are there. So first row is with -2 and first column is 1. So the first entry is -2. Next entry is the first row and the second column. So -2 into 3 is -6. Next, first row and third column. First row is -2 and third column is only 1. So it is 12. Next, second row and first column. Second row is 4 and first column is 1. So it will be 4. Then second row, second column. Second row and second column. So it is 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Next, second row and third column. So 6 into 4 is 24 is -24. -24. Next, third row is 5 into 1 is 5. Then 5, third row and second column, 5 into 3 is 15. Then third row and third column, so 5 into -6 is -30. So we have calculated A into B. Next we have to calculate A into B transpose. So A into B transpose is by interchanging rows and column. So I can write this matrix as -2, -6, 12, -2, -6, 12, 4, 12, -24, 4, 12, -24, then 5, 5, 15, -30, 5, 15, -30. So this is 8B whole transpose. Next we have to calculate A transpose and B transpose. So A transpose is A transpose becomes, now it is how many? One column. So next when we interchange, this will be -2, 4, 5, and B transpose is B transpose 1, 3, -6. 1, 3 and -6. Now we have to calculate. We know that matrix multiplication is not commutative. So here we have to calculate B transpose A transpose, not A transpose B transpose. We have to multiply B transpose and A transpose only. We cannot calculate A transpose B transpose because for the matrix multiplication there should be what is that the value, or there should be a condition. The number of columns of one matrix, first matrix, should be equal to number of rows of next matrix. Therefore we have to calculate B transpose A transpose only. So what is B transpose A transpose? B transpose into A transpose, so it's equal to, what is B transpose? B transpose 1, 3, -6, 1, 3, -6. Then A transpose is -2, 4, 5, -2, 4, 5. Again we can see these two matrices. First matrix is of order 3 rows, 3 by 1, and the next is of order 2 by 1. So we can calculate what is the value of B transpose A transpose. So is equal to, we are getting again 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So what is 3 by 3 matrix? So first element, first row and first column. So it is -2, -2. Then the first row, second column is 4, and the first row and third column is 5. Then second row is 3 and first column is -6. Then second row, second column, 3 into 4 is 12. Then second row and third column is 15. 15, then minus third row is minus 6 and minus 2 is 12, then minus 6 into 4 third row and second column, minus 6 minus 24, then minus 6 third row and third column, minus 6 into 5 is minus 30, minus 30. Therefore we can see AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Therefore the conclusion is AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So this problem is very important for 5 marks. B transpose is equal to, or AB whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Here only the thing is transpose is very simple by writing rows as columns and columns as row, but here you should know how to multiply. Already I have explained multiplication, then the condition of a multiplication. So based on this we have solved this, and similar problem I'll give as a homework to simplify same kind of problems. First one, verify that verify homework, verify that A B whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. In that one is 1 minus 4 3, 1 minus 4 3, then minus 1 2 1. This is A. Minus 1 2 1, and one more is A is equal to 0 1 2, 0 1 2 0 1 2, then B is equal to 1 5 7. So these two problems to verify A B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Next one I'll solve some other problems also. Here the multiplication is very simple, one row one column, or it is a column and a row matrix. It is easy to calculate multiplication. Next is if A is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. Next problem, minus 1 2 3, then next element is 5 7 9, 5 7 9, then minus 2 1 1 1, and B is equal to is a matrix B is a matrix minus 4 1 minus 5 minus 4 1 minus 5, then 0 2 1 2 0 1 2 0, then the next row is 1 3 1 1 3 1. Verify that A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. It is to verify A minus B whole transpose, or A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So first one we have to write A minus B, we have to calculate. So A minus B will be, it is A minus B, subtraction. So minus 1 plus minus 1, minus of minus 4 is plus 4, so it will be 3. The next element is 2 minus 1 is 1. Next is 3 plus 5 is 8. The next one is 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. Then 9 minus 0 is 9. Then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then 1 minus 1 is a 0. After that, A minus B whole transpose. So A minus B whole transpose is by interchanging rows and columns of this. So 318 becomes a column. 318 becomes a column. Then 459 becomes column. 459 becomes column. Then minus 3 minus 2 0. Minus 3 minus 2 and 0. So this also becomes a column. So this is a value of A minus B whole transpose. Next, A transpose we have to calculate. So what is A transpose? A transpose is a transpose of a matrix A. So minus 1 2 3 becomes minus 1 2 3 5 7 9 5 7 9. Then minus 2 1 1. So this is A transpose. And B transpose. B transpose will be transpose of that minus 4 1 minus 5 minus 4 1 minus 5 1 2 0 1 2 0. Then 1 3 1 1 3 1. So this is A transpose minus B transpose. So next we have to calculate A transpose minus B transpose. So what is A transpose minus B transpose? Minus 1 minus 1 minus of minus 4 is 3. So the first element will be 3. Next 5 minus 1 is 4. Next minus 2 minus 1 is subtraction. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is minus 3. Next here 2 minus 1 is 1 and 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minus is minus 2. So it is 1 5 and minus 2. Next 3 9 1. 3 minus 5 is 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 minus 1 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this will be 8 9 0. So when you see here A minus B whole transpose and A transpose B transpose, so both the values are same. Therefore 8 A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So this we have verified. So for the same problem, you verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So verify that same problem. You have to verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to, we have to verify that A transpose plus B transpose. Same problem, verify A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. So this is again a homework. Next problem, it is to calculate it is to find what is A transpose of that. So if A dash is equal to minus 2 minus 2 3 and 1 2 and B is equal to a matrix minus 1 0 1 2 minus 1 0 1 2 find, it is to find A plus 2B whole transpose. It is to find A plus 2B whole transpose. It is given A transpose and B, so we have to find A plus 2B whole transpose. So for that, first we have to calculate what is A. It is given A transpose is given, so find out A. So A is equal to transpose of that minus 2 3 1 and 2. So we have to find out A transpose, so write A by interchanging rows. Then we want 2 into B. So 2 into B is equal to 2 times of minus 1 0 1 2. So we get it is a minus 2 0 2 and 4, multiplied each element minus 2 0 2 and 4. Next addition of these two, so A plus 2B, that means addition of these two, so minus 2 plus minus 2 will be 0 0 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. So sorry, it is not minus 0, it is minus 4, and 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 5 2 is 5, and 2 plus 4 is 6. Then A plus 2B whole transpose is equal to transpose of this, it is minus 4 1 5 and 6. So the value of A plus 2B whole transpose is minus 4 5 1 and 6. So this you write down, note down these. Next is one more, I'll give one more homework problem, similar problem, just to calculate what is that, the transpose. So if A is equal to, or A dash is equal to, A dash is equal to a matrix of 3 4 minus 1 3 4 minus 1 2 1 0 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, it is 0 and it is 1, and B is a matrix of order, it is A transpose is of order minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 and 1 2 3. It is to verify A plus B, verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, it is 1, and second one A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So this one you have to verify. So these are the homework problems. Simplify and get the answer. Thank you.